It's Chili Cube. I'm here on the sunny coast in Queensland, Australia. Lovely winter's day. I've got an MDF round and I'm putting it on my spinny thing. This spinner is a real spinner. So I'm hoping that I don't lose it. Or you could just put a piece of tape on there. I've got a shower cap. I put a shower cap over the top of my spinner and that protects it. I just can change the shower cap. So that's what's under there. And then just press that on there and my spinner should spin without my MDF round coming off. So that is the plan. Now I've been on a greens week, painting in greens because they're my nemesis, or I don't particularly enjoy them. So it's doing what challenges me is painting in greens. So I thought, why not do a puddle pour and spin in these greens and see how we go. So what I'm using is the Green Deep from Global. They're all Global paints, and then I've mixed the Green Deep with gold as well. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'll explain it as I go along, that's best. So this is the light green, and it's like Kermit green. So I'm going to put this as my base coat on my spinnery thing to spread out, as you see. So my naughty dogs are chasing each other, having a good old time, but they're noisy. But that's it, it's real life, real life. So now for the Green Deep. I've got to stop and make it not Christmassy by adding any reds or, I don't want it to look Christmassy for this particular one. I just want it to look fresh. Oh, and that, I thought that was my black, but it looks as though it's purple. But that's the Amsterdam black, I thought, with just Floetrol on its own. And then I have, this is the Green Deep, 50% Green Deep, 50% metallic gold, and makes a beautiful colour, very nice. And then I'm going to add, again, this was white, and I just put a squirt of the Green Deep in it. So they're all 50 shades of green. Not 50 shades of grey, I'm 50 shades of green. But I am going to put a grey in it as just, it's probably the only other colour. It is a green grey, because again, I did put gold in my mix, metallic gold. So, and then I will, now I've mixed up just this Green Deep with just Floetrol only, so hopefully it'll act as like a little cell activator. And then I'll pour some white on it. And then go a bit of the black again. We'll see, we will see. It's already going more down that side. And just give it a bit of a hit with the heat one to burst any air bubbles. Let's see what I get. Like a box of chocolates, you never know what you're gonna get. Wow. Love, love, love those colours. That grey actually looks really nice in there. Hit it again with a bit of heat. You see all those cells forming? I suppose I'd better let it do its bizzo and form the little cellies. We'll give it a spin anyway. Let's go. I think I put way too much green on there. Colours. Way too many colours, or way too much colour. Having a problem with that lately. Oh, well, there you go. That's my thing. It actually looks quite nice. I'm going to bring you down. The green and the grey, that really is nice. It's quite attractive. Let's see how we go. So there you go. It is full of cells. And just probably love it that the outside has got some movement instead of cells everywhere. That looks really, really nice. Happy with that. So it's different putting the grey in there, yeah. There's kind of the grey has overtaken it a bit, hasn't it? So maybe a bit more of the dark green would have made it pop, but you live and learn. That will look really nice resined and can become a trivet or a clock or a placemat. Anything, I guess, or even a wall decoration, obviously. So I hope you enjoyed that little quickie on my greens week. I think I'm doing lots of greens this week in different combinations, so give it a go. Thank you very much, my lovelies. Please take care, and I'll be back tomorrow. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. It costs absolutely nothing and it's free. Bye for now.